You have find dy dx if y is equal to 2 over 3 x raised to the power 3 minus 4 over x. I'm going to simplify this step by step for a better understanding. So let's do this. First of all, I'll repeat the question. You have your 2 over 3x raised to the power of 3 minus 4 over x. Now, watch what I'm going to do right now. This 2 over 3 x raised to the power of 3 is the same thing as 2 over 3 times x raised to the power of 3. This you're seeing is the same thing as 2 over 3 x raised to the power of 3 is the same as 2 over 3 times x raised to the power of 3. Now let's simplify it. Now the same thing as this minus 4 over x. Now let's do this. It will be 2 over 3 times this x raised to the power of 3. This is what happens here. Use this 3 to multiply the x. You use the power to multiply the 3. And after that, you subtract 1 from the power. So it will be 3x raised to the power of 3 minus 1. After the 3 as the power has multiplied the variable, 1 will be subtracted from it. Have you seen it now? Now, to the other part, which is minus, this 4x, this 4 over x, rather, 4 over x you're seeing will change to 4x raised to the power of minus 1. Now, the question is how? How did 4 over x now change to 4x raised to the power of minus 1? Now, this is how it changes. This 4 over x here is the same thing as 4 times 1 over x. Because 4 times 1 is 4 over x. Now, according to the law of indices, this 1 over x will become x. This x becomes a whole x. Then this minus, this over here changes to minus. Then the numerator becomes 1. Now 4 times this becomes 4x raised to the power minus 1. Have you seen it now? That was how I got this here. Now coming to this part, it becomes 2 over 3. Now 2 over 3 times this will become 2 over 3x raised to the power of 2. We multiply, bringing it together. 2 over 3 times this becomes 2 over 3x raised to the power of 2. That's what it becomes. Now, this power here, if you look at the board, this is minus 1. This minus 1 to the power minus 1, we multiply minus 4. Just like exactly what we did here. We said 3, multiply this. Now 1 was also subtracted from it. Now this minus 1 on top, we multiply minus 4, making it plus 4. Minus 1 on top, multiply minus 4, making it plus 4. Minus times minus is plus 4x. And after that, remember I told you that when the power multiply the numerator or the variable, 1 will be subtracted from it. Becomes minus 1 minus 1. 1 is also subtracted from it. So here it becomes 2 over 3 times your 3. Also put your multiplication sign here. See that 2 over 3 times 3x raised to the power of 3 minus 1, 2, which is the same thing here. So this one also put it here by saying 2 over 3 times, you bring it down, x, 3x raised to the power of 2. That becomes plus 4x. Minus 1 minus 1 give us minus 2. Now this is time for us to cancel out. 3 cancel out 3. What is remaining there? When 3 goes out, when 3 cancel out 3, it's remaining 2x squared plus 4x raised to the power minus 2. Then this equal to 2x raised to the power 2 plus 4x raised to the power minus 2. We'll bring it up here. 2x squared plus, now this 4x raised to the power of minus 2 becomes 4 over x squared. Now you ask me how. How did 4x raised to the power of minus 2 becomes 4 over x squared? Now this is how I did it. This is how I got my answer. Now, if you watch, this 4 here, this 4, solve it here. This 4 here becomes like this, times x raised to the power minus 2. Now you have your 4x. This minus you're seeing, this minus you're seeing, raised to the power minus becomes, changes to 1 over. When this minus here changes to 1 over, what is left? X raised to the power 2 is left. Have you seen it now? So you have 4 times 1 is 4 over x squared. That's how I got this. Have you seen it now? So our answer is 2x squared plus 4 over x squared. That's our answer. The y, the x as the answer. Thank you.